see, gloves I prepared for $70. Hey, good. Just looking for some gears, everything almost everything, like knee pads, gloves,
Yeah, sure.
jackets,
Yeah.
helmets.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mm.
You
So-
don't need a hand with anything, but really?
Need what? Sorry.
You don't need a hand with anything?
Oh,
you're
I
okay.
think I'm fine, but
Yeah.
I'm just curious if you guys can do the delivery.
Yeah, we can. Where to?
To
Yes, yeah.
Very
yeah,
close.
We'll be able to, organise. So if you chose like a bunch of stuff,
Uh-huh.
yeah, we can definitely deliver for
all
you.
right.
Yeah.
Then I will let you know about the item numbers, or maybe I will take the picture.
Yeah,
of
if
the
you
right-
take photos, I can make like a receipt, like a
Yep.
quotation.
Yep.
And then I can print that out for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Whenever you're ready, you can come and I can do that for you. Okay.
Sure.
All good.
Great.
No extra large left in Australia.
For this color.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing. They
Okay.
do not exist anymore. Only
Alright.
size small.
I will just try pick something up from, I think, black and white and that one, or
Yeah.
maybe that one.
Yeah, it's up to you.
So confused. Got got
Too many
many
colours.
choices.
Yeah, unfortunately, but the other one.
No problem.
Yeah, no stuff. All right. I'll let you have a think about it.
Yep.
If there is a color that you like and we don't have the size, let me know. I can check again.
Okay, thanks.
All good, mate.
I can only go with 300 and something for the helmet, but I want it to be a good quality. So I've already checked on the website, which is Sharp, and actually C70 is pretty good. See, compared with I70, I already opened the website. I70 is like this, and then C70 is like this, which is pretty good actually for its price, And it's also comfort. I just tried with C70. Okay. So expensive. So I like something. I like the color come with green and black, or black and white, but black and white seems like harder color. Hi. I would like to order something and send to my place as I live.
Yeah,
So I already come up with the list.
yeah.
Okay, so I just give you the. What should I give you? The number or? I got everything in the pictures.
Yeah,
So-
I can order anything if I don't have it here. What's the part number?
Well,
Show me the picture.
yeah. Could you please check these 3 helmets for me first, because I want to know the price. Are they the same or
Prices
different?
on it.
Yeah, but different size has a.
No, the same price. The same helmet.
Okay. Good. So,
The color or the size doesn't change the price.
okay.
So if you choose one, I can check.
All right. Okay, I'll go for this one.
Yeah, it's got one in there. It should do.
Oh yeah, I will go for this. Which number should I give you?
It's okay. 1121596. So
Extra large size for this
in
one.
extra large.
Yep.
That color.
Uh-huh.
Nobody has stock on that one, so we'll have to call the supplier on Monday to see if I can get one.
How long does it take usually?
If they have in stock in Victoria, a week.
Oh, no, then I will just go for another color, I think.
2,000 years later.
So what if I only need to send the helmet back to my place, and how much does it take? The
We
same?
charge $20 for shipment.
Oh, okay.
If it's everything or one thing.
Okay. I think I will just send everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, how long does it take? Forgot to ask.
We use Australia Post, so they come every day. So normally, if you 3 days,
Okay, no
they
problem.
come on Mondays. They go in the dispatch, in the central dispatch on Tuesdays, and it should come out to your house on Wednesdays.
Okay.
Normally, you know that's Australia Post is a bit.
Well, actually, I don't know because this is my 5th day today.
Okay.
Yeah,
Easy, man.
but it's okay. Sounds good to me. So, I will pay by credit card.
Let me pick up everything first. Like this, I'm sure I have it here.
Oh, sure.
Okay. I have everything at the back. That was the last item. I will put that at the back.
Okay.
Can I have your first name?
First name is Lei, L-E-I.
L-E-Y?
L-E-I, yeah.
Yeah. Last name?
B-I-A-N. B for Barry.
Yeah.
I-A-N. Yeah. Just to make sure this is my name.
They're like long, it's like
I misspelled that, sorry. An email I can join you on mobile?
Okay.
Cash or card?
Card. Visa card.
Should be ready for you just here.
Oh, sorry. May I just double check this at least? Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Good?
Good.
You can tap when you're ready.
I'm ready.
You can tap.
Okay. Needs my signature.
Yes.
I have bad handwriting.
It's okay. You can take off your card.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
no doubt about it.
Hey, 大家好, my name is Lei, and this is my room. Welcome to my room. You know, this is basically a room tour. You know what you can get in 125 Australian dollars per week, because here people pay the rent weekly. And here's my room. Let me give you guys a short tour real quick. So here I got my bed, and then, well, basically you can see everything. Just like this wardrobe, and got some pillows. And please ignore my temporarily rubbish bin. Well, it's not even a rubbish bin, rubbish sector, okay? And 125 per week. What else do you want? Well, this is a backyard. You can see it's a big backyard, very wide, and well, it's a little bit messy at this moment, but I don't care because I'm just living here temporarily, and I don't live in this backyard exactly. So what I want to say about the rent is I feel like, you know, it's always cheap when you look for rent from Chinese people. I was trying to, you know, find some house share online, and then I realized, well, the price is too expensive for me at that moment, and well, even for now, you know, because if you can get some cheap big value thing, why not get that one? So here I got this one from a Chinese website. So guys, try to learn Chinese. I'm seriously. You know, take advantage of what you have. Well, yeah. And that's all about this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to, click the like button if you like my video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Till next time on Lay's channel.